Climate change is going to influence our coasts in a lot of ways. Instead of fighting against the ocean, I think in the built environment, we have to work with the ocean and understand what works in nature and how nature has developed to live in these higher energy environments. My name is James Brice. I'm a graduate student here at MIT studying in architecture and civil and environmental engineering. I'm studying nature-based solutions for coastal adaptation. Oysters are these amazing ecosystem engineers that have the crazy ability to change their local environment, both through physics and through ecology. My goal is to work with the oyster and understand the way that oysters can change their environment. In the fluid mechanics lab, I'm quantifying how different configurations of oyster reef restoration strategies influence wave attenuation. Where's that sweet spot where the oyster is happy and it turns into a successful self-sustaining reef? My approach to design is a multi-species approach. It's not just the people living on the coast, but it's the oyster, it's the larval fish that live in the recesses of the oyster reef, it's the birds that rely on the fish for nutrients. Understanding all of the coastal actors and their role in the design process is what drives me in my work. The thing that I'm most excited about for the fellowship is just to be a part of a cohort and sort of like-minded designers, engineers, thinkers who are having these kinds of conversations. I value the co-benefits that the oyster brings to the ecosystem, but I think it's also a model for how I think about design in general. Working in civil and environmental engineering, working in architecture, working with communities and having conversations about application and design. And so I kind of want to emulate the oyster in a way in my own work.